Have you ever known the answer, but stayed silent because English didn't come out right? Today's story is about one moment, one choice, that changed everything. In this video, you'll learn 10 English words. Welcome back to day 6. Here, we don't force vocabulary, we experience it. Through real-life stories, simple words, and situations you've actually lived. By the end of this video, these words won't feel new. They'll feel natural. The day Aarav finally spoke. This is Aarav. Quiet, observant, always listening, but rarely speaking in English. At his office in Bangalore, meetings happen every week. Aarav always had ideas. Smart ideas. But when discussion started, his mind filled with doubt. What if I make a mistake? What if they laugh? So he stayed silent. One Monday, something unexpected happened. His manager asked, Aarav, what do you think? The room went quiet. His heart raced. His hands felt cold. He wanted to avoid eye contact. Then he remembered a simple thought. Clarity is more important than perfection. He took a deep breath and spoke, slowly, honestly. His words weren't perfect, but they were clear. Something surprising happened. People listened. No laughter. No judgment. After the meeting, a colleague smiled and said, that was a good point. Aarav felt a wave of relief. Not because his English was fluent, but because he finally expressed himself. That day, Aarav learned a powerful truth. Silence doesn't protect confidence. Practice does. In this part, you will learn 10 useful words from Aarav's story, with simple meanings and easy examples. Number 1. Observant. Meaning, good at noticing things. Example, she is very observant. Number 2. Doubt. Meaning, lack of confidence or certainty. Example, doubt stopped him from speaking. Number 3. Avoid. Meaning, to stay away from something. Example, he avoided eye contact. Number 4. Clarity. Meaning, being clear and easy to understand. Example, clarity matters more than perfection. Number 5. Perfect. Meaning, without mistakes. Example, your English doesn't need to be perfect. Number 6. Express. Meaning, to share thoughts or feelings. Example, he expressed his ideas clearly. Number 7. Judgment. Meaning, opinion that can be negative. Example, she feared judgment. Number 8. Relief. Meaning, comfort after stress. Example, he felt relief after speaking. Number 9. Confidence. Meaning, belief in yourself. Example, confidence grows with practice. Number 10. Practice. Meaning, repeating to improve. Example, practice makes speaking easier. Now let's lock these words into your memory. Repeat after me, slowly, clearly, like Aarav did in that meeting. Say each word out loud, feel it, own it. Ready? Here we go. Observant, doubt, avoid, clarity, perfect, express, judgment, relief, confidence, practice. Before we test your memory, let's quickly relive Aarav's journey together. Say these words with me as we recap. Your brain will lock them in forever. Aarav was observant, but full of doubt. He tried to avoid speaking until he chose clarity over perfect English. He expressed himself, faced judgment, felt relief, gained confidence through practice. Now it's time for your turn to test what you've learned. Let's make this fun and interactive. Answer these 3 quick questions in the comments below, and I'll reply to every learner who participates. Question 1. What does clarity mean? Question 2. Use doubt in your own sentence. Question 3. Which word means sharing your thoughts? Today, you didn't just learn 10 words, you discovered Aarav's secret. Your voice matters, even if your English isn't perfect yet. Before you go, hit that like button, subscribe for more lessons. Don't stop now. See you on day 7.